Hello, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today we are going to plan in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner using pages that we sell in our shop. There is a month, and then on the back of that there's the other list one that I just showed. So first we're going to take my stickers and we are going to put them onto the paper without cutting it out. This is a printable from our shop, and you print it out and it comes out just like this on this piece of paper. So I thought if I put the stickers on first and then cut it out, I won't have to cut the stickers to fit, plus cut it out, kind of saving a step. So I'm just going to start with these big stickers, and there are 2 habit trackers on the bottom of the month's page. It was kind of just to fill up space, but I'm not going to use that, so I figured I can stick some stickers down there and make the month look beautiful. So I stuck with the first big one, and now I'm looking for another size one to use, a different flower. These are some stickers that I drew myself, and I had them listed in our shop. They've only been listed for a short time. I'm trying to get into sticker making just because I love making them for myself, so I thought, why not share them and try and make some money at it. Even though I'm selling them only for $2.50 for this size sheet, I just figure that's fair because I don't want it to cost you too much that you won't want to buy them either. Okay, so I've got that bottom done. Now I'm looking for some more space to put some stickers. And that first week, being that August starts on a Thursday, you have from Sunday to Wednesday that's empty. So I'm going to stick some of the small ones up there. And that's what I'm doing here. I had to do a voiceover because I was printing stickers on Cricut while I was filming, so it would have been way too noisy to have it going when I was filming. Or have it film. Well, yeah. It would have been way too noisy to to film and talk with that Cricut running. Okay, so now I think I have all the stickers on there. Unless I decide to put some, the month and the year goes on the side, so that's why I have it turned, because I'm going to put from the right there those stickers that say August and the 2024 over here on the side, because there isn't room for a header on these pages the way that I designed them. So I stuck the flower down, and then I put the year, and I'm going to put the month. I just love these stickers so much, and I want to use them. So I might as well, since I probably won't use that habit tracker. The only habit I ever track is taking my medication, and I put that on each day, so I don't really need this here. I guess it all depends on what season, what stage of life you're in, whether you need to cultivate habits or not. Pretty much do the same thing every day, so but I just do want to make sure I take my medication because it's easy to forget. I think I'm trying to find where to place this one. Probably should have picked a smaller one. It probably would have looked better, but it's what I chose at the moment. So we're just filling it all in. Okay, now I'm going to cut it out since I have it looking how I want it to look. Okay, so here it is, all done and punched and looking amazing. So now we're going to work on the pages that also come with this file. There's only 6 boxes, but I think I found a way of how to use it for an entire week if you want to just buy this file. I do have weekly and daily files too, I believe, but this one comes with this one, so I thought I'd use it. So I got my Monday through Sunday stickers, and I'm going to stick those on there and then put the dates on there too. And I'm just going to put Saturday and Sunday on that last one. For me, my weekends aren't as busy, or I, kind of combine them. If I don't get stuff done Saturday, then I get stuff done Sunday. And, if I have events going on, I just would write that down anyway on the day. So I kind of try not to do too much on the weekend, except maybe cleaning and making our weekly wood fire pizza. And here they are, punched and dated and now ready for some stickers. So I'm trying to find, again, I have so many now that I've been making, back to where I was in my sticker book. I think I'm going to use these bigger ones. Do I? I don't remember. So I figured I'm going to be writing on the left where the bullet points are, and so then on the right I can put stickers. So what I'm going to do, I believe, and I could be wrong, never mind. I'm using a little sticker to divide Saturday and Sunday. That's how I start out. I'm just telling you about, I could put the stickers on the right side on each. So that is what I'm going to do. And I think that I take the big ones and I cut them and use half on each side. Just trying to decide which way to cut them to make it kind of symmetrical or similar at least. I guess I didn't go with symmetrical. Okay. I usually would, but I must not have this time. I thought this way worked better. So then I just take that and stick that along the edge there where there's a line from the box. Each of these days are boxed off. So I just line it up in there, and then I take the other part and put it on the other side. So I put this one in the middle. And I think it's already looking nice. So now I'm looking for another one. I'm going to use the big rose one. Do I cut this one or do I just put the whole one? Cutting a little bit off of this one, just so it doesn't go too far into the right there, or sorry, the left where the bullet points are for the day. And I'm not going to use that other little piece. And then I'm going to use this one, trying to finish up a page of stickers. That one I'm just going to sneak in there, just so I don't have to re-punch the holes. This is another thing too, I could have waited to punch the holes until I put the stickers on, and then I could have stuck more stickers maybe down the middle if I wanted to. But I think I'm kind of going with the lining them up with that edge line there. At least I did on the first two. I didn't on that small one. I think I do on this one too. Yeah. I remember once upon a time when I used to do the Happy Planner classic vertical layout, it used to be fun to cut the stickers and make them fit just inside the boxes. So like it could never go outside the box. Just was a neat kind of look that I enjoyed. So this is kind of mimicking that. Except I should have cut that second flower down to make it fit better. This one I don't think I do either. I just let it go off the edge and I cut the edge. I don't know. I wasn't focusing on one kind of decorating, I guess. Oh well. I see that now, but I didn't see it then. I'm just like sticking the smaller ones in there. Trying to fill it up some more. That's the only thing with the Saturday and Sunday. You can't really stick stickers down there because it's limited room for writing those 2 days to make it balanced, but I still think it looks cute. I'm just trying to give you ideas on how to use my stickers because they're kind of universal. They're not your standard boxes and squares and circles and things like that. And I tend to like the more whimsical looking stickers versus the realistic or even the ones that are people or things. I don't really like that either. I like the doodle flowers and doodly type stuff, I guess you'd call it. Hand-drawn looking, there we go. Kind of line art. Kind of the perfectly imperfect kind of look. That's what I like. Because it's real easy then to fix a mistake. Which has been what I like to do. I want things to look perfect, but I also want to be able to fix it so that it's pleasing to my eye, because it's never going to be perfect, but it's more pleasing to my eye that I like, the aesthetic. Now this one, I should have put the bigger one down first, so that's what I'm doing, taking this one up, which I'm surprised it comes up because this is just copy paper, but it did. So I'm going to stick the smaller one on top of the bigger one, put them back there to divide the weekend days. And do I put any more on here? I could. There still needs to be something, I think, down in that right corner, but I don't know what else I could do. So I think that's it. And there's my stickers. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.